Hi, I'm Adrian, and this video will look at how you set up offers and add-ons on your course. Now, no matter what type of course you're setting up, you're going to have the option to enter the price for the course. If you enter it at 0, it's going to be a free course and people are not going to be prompted to pay. If you enter any amount, they're going to be prompted to pay when they check out. So what does that look like? So this particular basic example would look pretty much like this. I have it open up as an example here. When they click book, it tells them that it costs £10 and they can add in more spaces if they need to. It gives them a preview of how many spaces they're buying, what they're actually paying for. So what if I want to offer additional offers or additional pricing options for my course? Well, I'll click on this custom offers and add-ons button, and depending on the course type, it's going to be in different places, but the configuration is the same all across. So let's say I want to add an extra option here, and let's say the student pricing only for active students, and then I will just enter the price as £8 in this particular example. Add that in here, and of course in the preview it shows now that the price is £8 to £10. Now let's say I want to add extra add-ons. What is an add-on? It's something that can be purchased alongside the booking, but it doesn't necessarily influence the capacity on the course. So if someone books one student price and one general price, that's going to take up 2 spaces in your course and reduce the spaces available on that date by that amount, whereas add-ons can be purchased and not affect the space on the course. So usually this will be additional kits or options or materials. So a lot of times it's going to be the craft material kit, for example. You can include a description of what that's going to include. So all the kit needed to follow along, and then I'll put in as £5. Create, and there you go. You see what that looks like. You can rearrange the order of these by dragging them like this, and once you're done, you go back, confirm that you're happy with it. I'll click next to save it. You can also click here to save the course, to save your changes. If I refresh, I will see those new offers and add-ons in here, and you can see what they look like from the customer side, and then you can see how they can just add in the ones that apply by clicking the plus or minus icons here, and they'll have a preview of the costs as they're checking out. Now, once they purchase this, you will see a preview of what they purchased on your side as an educator, so you'll be able to go into your booking section and click on the booking to see what they bought like that. So you'll see exactly what they purchased, so you know what you need to then deliver to them. Right, hopefully this all makes sense. If you have any questions, please use the live chat at the bottom right of the screen to get in touch. Thank you and take care.